Okay, that took me a minute. Hi guys, I'm Anna. You know, today the look I am going to be filming is like a bisexual pride type thing. Don't tell anyone. So what it is like the colors of the bi flag. I'm trying to look straight into my camera instead of like here at me. I don't know. But like the reason why I call it like a bi flag shut up car is because it's the colors of the bi flag. Blue, purple, and pink. So today we're gonna start off with priming the lid with, what's this? Concealer. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in shade Light 12. Just gonna kinda, you know, everywhere. Then I'm gonna just grab a booty blender, a dirty booty blender, and then blend it out. Am I going to do one eye at a time? No, I am not. I like to do both eyes at a time, even though I can easily mess up on one eye and then mess up on the other as well. I love how I work. So yeah, we're just gonna put that on. Oof. Blend that out. Why does that look so much more white than this side? Just to put as much. Okay, so we have concealer on our eyes. Now, I'm gonna go into the Morphe 35B palette. I'm pretty sure this is like discontinued or something. I'm still bending over because my brushes are on the floor. Does Anna have too many brushes? Yes. Yes, she does. I spend like a good amount of time trying to figure out the right one. And then we're gonna go into this white. Ooh. Just gonna pat it on. If I go this way, that's because my mirror. We are setting that concealer with eyeshadow. Tapped into that white color. So when I first did this look, sorry, I'm trying to find a clean brush. I really need to clean my brushes. So when I first did this look, it was very much like, I don't know how to explain it, because I don't really remember how I did it. I'm gonna go into that blue, this blue right here, with my NYX number 16 blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush. Go straight into that blue, and then we're gonna focus it on the outer corner. You know, I know this seems really like disappointing right now. Okay, just wait. So just focus that on the outer corner, you know? You gotta, well, outer corner and like bringing it in. You gotta, sometimes you gotta layer this shit on, you know? Layer on the cake, layer on the bake. There's our blue. We're done. Nah. So when I first did this look, there was no dark blue colors in this palette, which really kind of annoyed me. So we're gonna take this Morphe liquid lip in the color Gypsy, I know, crazy, right? And we're just gonna brush the brush like on the edges right here, and then just kind of, I don't remember if I used tape for this, honestly. I might have. See, just like that. I know it seems like really crazy right now, and if this look doesn't turn out right, I'm going to be so pissed. Just gonna pick up some more color. Really just focusing it on the outer corner and blending it in. Okay, see, just like that. Just gonna blend it all in. So right now you want to look like a blue raccoon or panda, whatever it is. What am I doing? See. So what we're gonna do is take our concealer. Okay, we're just gonna take a small flat brush. You know, this is the M421. Never mind, that's flipped. You guys can't see. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of concealer and then just kind of cut the crease. You know, we're only going halfway. And I hate myself for it. So this is looking very Nikkie Tutorials-esque right now. Like when she did her cloud eye look. Cloud cut crease. It's taken me so long just to get those creases right, and they're not even. I'm so good at this. Okay, so next we're just gonna grab a brush that already has purple on it, I guess. This is from when I did my rainbow eye look. I'm just gonna press it in the middle. See, like right there. Should I do a tutorial on the rainbow eye look? I don't know, that's a lot of people have already done it, so I don't know if I should too. But you know, follow along, cause you know, whatever gets views. Next we're gonna grab another random brush. Okay. And then we're gonna go into this pink color. I know, it's very pink. Very pink. And now we're just gonna tap it on, you know. I know this seems really messy right now, which it pretty much is, honestly. We're just gonna try to blend these together. If you think that's it, nah. We gonna add some glitter liner. This is, I don't even know what this is. This is deluxe glitter. I got it like at the Closet or something at the mall. I don't remember what store it was. Just look, when you open it, it's like an explosion. And then what we're gonna do with it is that we're gonna follow the crease. Okay? Instead of blocking my entire face, I'm going to use a mirror and block my entire face. See, just like that, we have our glitter. If you think that this is all, no. I'm gonna take some micellar water that I put in an empty Mario Badescu spray bottle, and we're just gonna oof. I should have used tape for this look, but I didn't. My tape's like right over there. It's probably like really bad for your skin and like wrinkles to do that, but you know what? That's what we did. If you think that this is the ending, nah. So I'm going to use okay, so I'm gonna be using the Cocoa Lashes in Goddess, and so I'm gonna take them out right now. These have been used and abused, honey. So I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. We're just gonna hit that. Coat my lashes just like that, you know? So then we're gonna put on the lashes. See, lashes make everything better. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my other lash and I'll be right back. So I know I said I'd put on my other lash and then I'd be right back, but I decided to do my face too, and then some highlighting, you know. Ooh. I'm gonna pick up my phone and put it right in front of the ring light, you know. Ring light? Yeah, it's a mirror with a light. It's in the shape of a ring, so I guess we just... Ooh. Yes. Okay, so the highlight that I used is the Artist Couture in Illuminati. That was the tutorial on how to get, like, you know, a simple bi pride flag type eye look. So I guess follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter if you want. I kind of just tweet sad things, if we're being honest. I tweet a lot of sad things. You know, everything's gonna be down in the description below. Like this video, comment on it, subscribe, please. I probably won't be able to go to college, so please subscribe and share this video, I guess. I do not have an ending, like an outro or anything, so bye.